Today we are making my favorite summer treat, strawberry sugar cookie bars. They're simple, sweet, and taste like summer. I start with a basic white cake mix, nothing fancy. Add 2 eggs and half a cup of vegetable oil, and then stir until smooth. This goes into a greased 9x9 pan and bakes for about 15 minutes until golden brown. This is the cookie base of these bars. While the cookie base is baking, I clean and slice several pounds of strawberries. The more the better. After washing, I let them dry completely. That's an important step. If the berries are too moist, the filling will run. Next, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water on the stove. Heat until the sugar dissolves. Then add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and stir until thick and glossy. Remove from the heat and stir in 1 package of strawberry gelatin. That's where the color and flavor come alive. Pour the warm filling over the sliced berries and let it cool all together. Serve with whipped cream if you'd like. It's the perfect finishing touch. Sweet, simple, and full of summer flavor. These strawberry sugar cookie bars are pure cookie heaven. So thanks for coming along today as we explore this wonderful summer recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.